Hey guys, today I am showing how to make samosas. I love them because they are so crispy and delicious. Ingredients are listed in the description box down below. You can check it out. For ingredients, you will need a samosa pastry sheet removed from refrigerator few hours before. Cook the potatoes in a large pan of salted water until just tender, about 10 to 15 minutes.
Large onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon coriander seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed roasted and crushed, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon turmeric powder, less than half teaspoon kalonji or onion seeds, salt according to taste.
For filling, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan on low heat. Add chopped onion, cook for 1 minute. Add onion seed, kalonji, mix well. Add cumin and coriander seed, red chili powder, red chili flake, turmeric powder. Cook for 1 minute. Add salt according to taste. Mix well. Then add boiled and mashed potato, green chilies and fresh coriander. Mix well and cook for about a minute. Actually guys, I don't have fresh coriander and green chili. Take it out on a plate and let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes or leave it in this same pan. Now it's time to start filling the samosas. For paste, take flour and water. Add the same amount of flour and water. If it's too thick, then add little water. Add 2 tablespoons flour and water. Mix well and make a smooth paste. Okay, so take out your samosa pastry sheet. Now we are start folding. First fold. Apply flour paste. Then second fold. Now pick it up, add filling. Apply paste, then final fold. That's how I make samosas. Subscribe to my channel for Ramadan vlog and recipes. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.